You ever notice how some people just don't care about their birthday? No parties, no posts, just another day. But what if that silence actually says something powerful about them? Let's talk about the hidden meaning behind ignoring your birthday and how it might connect to your mindset, your focus, and your growth. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk about productivity, mindset, and becoming your best self. Today we're diving into something a bit deeper. Why do some people treat their birthday like it's nothing special? And what can that tell us, especially if you're someone chasing goals, studying hard, or building a better version of yourself? The psychology behind it. Ignoring your birthday doesn't always mean you're sad or antisocial. Sometimes it's a quiet sign of growth. You stop craving validation from others. You don't need 200 Instagram comments to feel appreciated. You realize your worth isn't measured by how many people remember your day. It's measured by how you live your days. For students and young adults, that mindset is powerful. You stop comparing. You stop chasing attention. You focus on what really matters, your goals, your habits, your peace. But let's be real. Sometimes ignoring your birthday can mean something else. Maybe you're avoiding reflection. You don't want to think about time passing or where you are in life. That happens a lot with students feeling behind, stressed, or stuck. If that's you, take your birthday as a checkpoint, not a celebration. You don't have to throw a party, but take a moment to pause and ask, what did I learn this year? What habits helped me grow? What do I want to do differently next year? That simple reflection can be more powerful than any gift. Practical steps, how to turn your birthday into a growth day. Here's how to make it meaningful, even quietly. Do one thing just for you. Read your favorite book, go for a walk, treat yourself to coffee. No pressure, just peace. Journal your year. Write down 3 things you learned, 2 habits to improve, and 1 goal for your next year. It's short, but it builds self-awareness. Thank the people who showed up. Even if it's just one friend or your mom, gratitude builds happiness and motivation. Reset your environment, clean your desk, delete old notes, organize your study space. Start your next year feeling clear and focused. So yeah, maybe ignoring your birthday isn't about being cold or careless. Sometimes it's a quiet kind of strength, a sign you're growing, focusing, and learning to find happiness within. If this hit home for you, take this as a reminder. Your growth doesn't need to be loud. It just needs to be consistent. If you liked this, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with one thing you've learned this year, and keep showing up for yourself. That's the best kind of celebration there is.